Today I'm going to talk to you about the JOWOOM T2 Smart Tuner. It's an item that I have been using for a number of years now. It saves me so much time when I'm tuning classical guitars, steel string acoustic guitars, bass guitars, electric guitars, and even ukuleles. It's a wonderful item and it can save so much time when you have to tune sometimes up to 30 guitars in just a few minutes. The JOWOOM T2 Smart Tuner has got 4 different modes, each for different types of guitar. We've got one for steel string, one for classical, one for electric, and one for ukulele. It also has a custom mode for times where you want to drop down those tunings and play some heavy riffs, going all the way down to drop C, just with the push of a button. So there's a few different ways that you can use the T2 Smart Tuner to get your guitar in tune. You've got auto mode, so that'll sense the closest note to what you're currently playing and tune it to that one. You've got custom mode, where you set what you want the string to be. And then you've got semi-automatic mode, which for standard tuning, you just choose the string that you're playing and it will tune it up to that note. But for auto mode, you simply put it on your tuning peg, play the string, and wait for the beat. Simple as that. A great use for the T2 Smart Tuner is using it as a string winder. You've got up and down buttons, so you can go sharp or flat. And when a student breaks a string in the middle of class, instead of sitting there cranking a string winder round and round and round, just press up and you're good to go. If, like me, you have a guitar with oversized pegs, comes with this handy little attachment, you just clip it on, put it on your pegs, and you can tune away. I've been using the T2 Smart Tuner for a number of years now. In that time, I've only had to recharge it once, but it was simply plug in USB-C and you're good to go. For a full list of specifications and more details about the T2 Smart Tuner by JOWOOM, please follow the links in the description. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Otherwise, we'll see you next time.